Udder Balm is a great way to remedy drying, cracking, udders, and any other health issues involving the udder. So today I just wanted to share my Udder Balm recipe. So what I do to make Udder Balm is I take a pint-sized jar, put a canning ring or two in the bottom of a small pot, put some water in the pot, and put your canning jar on top of it so that you have the canning jar kind of submerged in the water but not touching the bottom of the pot. Then you turn your pot on medium-low temperature. Then you add equal parts olive oil and coconut oil to your jar. I usually do about a half cup of each, and a lot of times I'll add some beeswax, maybe about a tablespoon, helps solidify it. And after that is nice and melted, you add your essential oils. I like to do 20 drops lavender oil, 20 drops peppermint oil, and if I'm trying to dry up any doughs, I do 20 drops peppermint oil. Peppermint oil is great for drying them up, but only for drying them up. It's good for udder health and skin health too, but if you add it, they're gonna dry up immediately. So that's great if you want to dry them up, but just don't do that unless you're trying to dry them up. And then just let it cool and you have your Udder Balm. Just be sure to address why you have those udder health issues in the first place. Sometimes you might need to look at your doe's diet, like her minerals, if the teeth have scabs or something on them. It might be because the kids are too rough or their teeth are too sharp, so you might want to file down any sharp teeth. And also check the description below. I will have everything typed up neatly. Be sure to check that out. So what I do to make Udder Balm